Greetings dear customer, dear subscribers, this is ISON company speaking. In this video we will review a 5 megapixel camera with a motorized lens of the IP PoE standard, the ISON 505 PoE model. This is a surveillance camera that comes with a very good SmartSense sensor on board, with the latest generation night illumination up to 40 meters. Power over Ethernet technology, meaning power transmission over a single cable. So you don't need to bother with a second power block and an additional cable. Here it's enough to connect it via a twisted pair to a standard RG45 connector. Alternatively, connected to the NVR, applies to NVR 0.8 PoE, ISON NVR 16 PoE, etc. with 0.4 PoE available, for example. Alternatively, if you have a video surveillance system based on PoE switches, simply connect it directly to the PoE switch and that's all you need to do. The camera set traditionally includes a full set of all instructions. This includes mounting anchors, a hex key for adjustments and protective caps traditionally. Along with that, of course, comes the original branded box. The camera comes with all the necessary technologies on board. Here is the real WDR technology. Here is the 3DNR technology. These are technologies that enhance the quality of shooting in poor or improper lighting conditions. WDR technology is essentially a must-have for video surveillance because wherever you place your camera, several times a day the situation will arise where sunlight will enter the camera lens or shadows will fall. At this moment, if you have a camera without WDR, everything in the frame will turn black. WDR technology solves this problem. The 3DNR technology is a technology that reduces noise, that is REB, in low light conditions or during shooting that takes place at night. The camera comes with an adjustable protective visor. It is rated IP66 protection class, dust and waterproof, capable of withstanding rain or snow. It can also be utilized in a temperature range from -60 to +55 degrees. The camera is color versatile. It can be placed not only outdoors but also indoors. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to ask our managers or write in the comments below this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss a new video.